So inside of my secured private network, we are starting off the new year with one of our best trading days in history. G-Roar, the anonymous trader who wears a scream mask, who is currently recovering from surgery, trading on his phone from his hospital bed locked in his cell, ended up going 5 for 5 on the day. Kicking off the morning, buying SPY put options at the exact lows, selling at the exact peak for a 200% profit return. Then having 4 massive wins after the morning win. If you were to add up all of the wins combined, it's over a 1000% return. If you were to leave runners, you could have made over a 1000% return on multiple trades. G-Roar ended up going 5 for 5. In terms of my own first personal trade on the day, I ended up buying SPY call options at the exact lows when my 587.50 level hit, and I ended up selling that very, very quickly for a 55% profit return. In terms of Uncle Tio, Keaton Win, Forbes 30 under 30, he ended up buying SPX put options towards the exact lows, making a 350% profit return, leaving one runner for a 1700% profit return. If you were to add up all of our gains combined, it's over a 2,500% profit return. I'm going to be breaking down all of the massive wins that we had in a row. Let's get straight into it, man. So for those of you who are serious about making money, make sure you stay till the end of this video, because I'm going to give you the new game plan in the new levels to trade the best setups at. So before we get into that money-making information, I'm going to quickly break down the trades that we ended up making inside of my secured private network. Let's get straight into it. So as you can see, in terms of the game plan, it was to short the bounces at 9:30 a.m., short the bounces as long as we stay below 591. If you watched my videos that I posted recently, you are well aware I told you to look for a red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmation towards the previous day highs. The SPY could start to sell off, and then I was interested in scalping calls at 587.50. Once we hit 587.50, I bought calls at the exact lows for a 50% profit return. There was confirmation for puts. We had a double top. There was a lot of pre-market resistance. There was a red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmation. In terms of the trade, we ended up going with 585 SPY puts for 59 cents a contract at 9:31 a.m., quickly adding into the winners just 2 minutes later. So if you go to 585 puts, you're going to see this was the best trade that you could have made at the market open. Inside of Team Roar, you're always going to see the morning trading sessions are right 9 out of 10 times, and these are the best market open trades you're ever going to experience within the overall market. We ended up buying these SPY puts at 9:31 a.m. at the exact lows. Now, in terms of where did we end up selling? We ended up selling at the exact peak before the contracts sold right back off. So in terms of the sell, as you can see right here, we ended up quickly adding into the winners because that's one method we use in terms of our real-time zero-date options trading alert system to increase the winning is to add to the overall winners. And we ended up selling at the exact peak. As you can see, man, we sold the exact peak at 9:40 a.m., a 200% profit return in the span of 9 minutes. Now, surely enough, you would think all of the winning would stop there. But no, it just keeps on fucking happening. All we do is win. We win nonstop. We win at market open. We win during the middle of the day. We win during power fucking hour. So in terms of the next massive win, as you're going to see, we ended up buying puts back to back at the exact lows, man. So in terms of, when G-Roar exited that trade, as you can see, he ended up recapping and breaking down the full play, showing you exactly where he entered, where he added, where he exited, where he sets the profit stops. Now, with that being said, in terms of the next massive win, at 10:10 a.m., we ended up buying 588 SPY puts for 78 cents a contract. You go to 10:10 a.m., you go to 588 puts, you're going to see back to back, we bought puts at the exact lows at 10:10 a.m., man. Who the fuck do you know is doing this, man? Winning this big and this consistent, non-stop during market open, middle of the day and power hour trading session, buying cheap, low risk, far the money option contracts, selling deep in the money for the biggest percentage gains. So in terms of this overall trade, as you can see, these contracts went from 78 cents at the speed of fucking light all the way into the 200-cent range. We ended up selling at 10:21 a.m. We ended up selling right here into a lot of resistance at 10:21 a.m. for another massive win. Now, let's quickly get into, so you can see right here, this is the recap. Now, in terms of the next trades, man, take a look at what Uncle Tio's doing, man. Look at this. This was Uncle Tio's first trade on the day. He drops the bat signal at 10:09 a.m. And take a look at this, man. SPX 5865 puts. Every single time I see Uncle Tio make a trade in this 10 a.m. time frame, it's always a massive fucking win. If you search the history of his name, he hasn't had a fucking loss since October, and he's trading actively. He's typically making one trade every 2 days. Now, with that being said, if you go to SPX 5865 puts, 180 entry at 10:11 a.m. man, the spirits were aligned. They literally made this trade basically at the same overall time, just different fucking strikes, right? So in terms of Uncle Tio, he's the only one who I've ever seen buy SPX far the money option contracts this early into the day. Me and G-Roar, we like to wait until power hour when they're very, very cheap and low risk, when they're like, under 100 cents. But Uncle Tio, he'll buy them early into the day, at like 200 cents or 150 cents, 100 cents, and they'll fucking print massively. So in terms of this trade, you're going to see right here, if we go to the puts, I'm going to walk this down here for you here. I'm going to show you this here real quick. So as you can see, if we go to these puts, these 5865 puts on SPX, you're going to see right here, we bought these puts at the exact low. Look at this, 10:11 a.m., man. Who the fuck do you know is doing this? Do you understand? 10 a.m. SPX 5865 puts, 180 entry. 10:11 a.m. Look at this. This is the exact fucking low. They went from 170 to fucking 820 fucking minutes. Who do you know is buying SPX fucking contracts for 170 and they're going to 820 fucking minutes, man? My gosh. Now, surely enough, you would think all the fucking winning would stop there, man, but we're going to get into it because the wins, they're just so fucking massive and consistent inside of my secure private network. So we're going to get into all the massive fucking winnings. But as you can see, man, in terms of Uncle Tio, he's printing like fucking crazy, man. 180% profit return, fucking 300% profit return. So he ended up getting out on that trade when he was up 300% plus, and he left one lucky contract, man. Look at this. One lucky contract to run, deep in the fucking money, trading the trend. You could have turned $170 into fucking 1,700% gains, man. Look at the fucking results. Are you seeing this, man? This is all alerted 100% in real fucking time. $3,000. You could have turned $170 into $3,000. Do you understand? We have members in this group who are making $1,000 plus a day with smaller accounts, man. Look at this. We just had a member join our group. Take a look at this, man. We just had a member join our group. You want to see what our fucking members are doing? Look, Stevie again, very consistent member. He's up over $3,000 on the day. Look at this, man. Bestest scored ever. G-Roar is the fucking GOAT. Look at this. He turned $300, $300 account, a $300 fucking account on Robinhood to fucking $4,600. His account is up 1,100%. Look at the angel numbers. Look at all those fucking ones, man. Are you awake? There's not a single fucking private organization out there in the fucking planet who is printing like us at the speed of fucking light. Man, look at all the fucking results. So let's get into the winning, man. So in terms of the more winning, there's a lot more winning, as you can see right here. If we go to the next fucking win, let's buy 583 SPY puts for 59 cents a contract at 11:03 a.m. So if you go to 11:03 a.m., as you're going to see right here, 583 SPY puts. If you go to 583 SPY puts at 11:03 a.m., you're going to see, man, in terms of these puts, so we ended up getting in right here towards the overall short-term peak, and they quickly dropped all the way to 10 cents. So the puts were down over 80%. We don't use stop losses. So if the trade doesn't work out, we typically don't even sell for losses. We just let the contracts expire worthless and go to zero. And the most we put in is our max risk per trade. And we hold the trades. And when we're green, we set profit stops to ensure we don't go green to red. And then we move the profit stops up higher to ensure that we don't get back the bulk of our gains. And then we sell into moves at key levels. We leave runners to sell deep in the money. Right? So we have a very strategic options trade alert system. And in terms of what we're putting into these trades, our max risk per trade could be a couple of percent of your account. So the beauty of this is you know exactly how much money you're going to lose. The most you can lose is what you put into the option contracts. It expires worthless, goes to zero. That's your max risk per trade. Very, very simple, man. Removing the stop losses and not selling for losses has allowed us to win non-fucking stop as long as you're just focused on trading the overall right side of the trend. So take a look at this trade. We're in at 59 cents, right? And instead of adding and adding and adding into the losers, we buy a second strike. What do I tell you about the second strike? When we buy the second strike and the first strike is down like over 50%, the dead play can still come back to life and go in the money. So we hold it, but the second strike will typically look to even size and bigger. And the second strike tends to be timed near perfect for massive fucking gains. Meaning, being down 50% first on a trade leads to a massive fucking win. So you got to think about this from market open to market close, man, from the whole point of view, man. We had 4 fucking massive wins starting the day off. And I told the team when we were after win fucking 2, I said, losing is a personal fucking choice. Green to red is a personal fucking choice. The most you risk is 25 to 50% of your overall profits on the day if you choose to keep on trading, man. But we just kept on fucking winning. In terms of these puts, as you can see, the second strike, 585 SPY puts for 61 cents a contract at 12:23 p.m. So if you go to 585 puts, you're going to see right here, and we go to the time frame. This is the time frame where we ended up getting in right here at 12:23 p.m. We got in towards the exact lows, and these puts quickly went to 200 a contract. So who the fuck do you know is doing this fucking consistently, man? We've created a strategic zero-date options trading alert system that is consistently making many, many members money. Now, with that being said, in terms of this overall trade, you can see we kept on adding to the 585 puts. The second strike tends to do the best, so we like to add fucking massive to that. And in terms of when we ended up selling, it was at 12:29 p.m. We ended up selling both strikes at 12:29 p.m. So in terms of this overall trade, that's 50 cents to fucking 200 within the span of fucking 10 minutes. And then in terms of the other fucking strike, the 583 puts, those quickly went to 120 cents. So do you understand? This trade we bought on puts dropped 80%. We sold for a 100% win, basically. And then it went all the way to 300, man. Look at all the fucking potential here, man. These fucking contracts we bought at the fucking lows, they went from 40 cents to 450. That's a 1000% fucking game, man. All of these fucking trades we're making are going up over 1000% plus. The fucking market is on fire now, man. This is a different type of market. I've never seen any type of fucking market like this. This is just a different fucking breed of a market right now, man. It's fucking insane. The amount of money you can make flipping options. If you understand risk management 101, you can turn a small account into fucking thousands within a single fucking week. We had a member who just posted last fucking week that he turned $1,000 into $8,000. We had a member who just fucking joined. He turned $300 into $4,300, man. Who the fuck do you know is doing this? Nobody's fucking print like us, man. Wake the fuck up. This is an unlimited money printing fucking machine. So, as you can see, we ended up breaking down the full trades that we ended up making. And inside of Team Roy, you should be well aware, we rarely sell for losses. We let the contracts just expire worthless and go to zero. And we don't use stop losses. We do not believe in using stop losses, especially with zero-date option contracts. These are very, very cheap, very, very low risk. So the most you put in is your max risk per trade, your R multiple, right? A lot of traders, they'll put in their max risk per trade, their R multiple, but it will be their stop loss. So they get stopped out, they lose their R multiple. With us, if our contracts go to zero, we lose our R multiple. And these are the biggest percentage gains within the market. And we are trading the trend. And when we're green, we set profit stops to ensure we don't go green to red. We move the profit stop up higher to ensure that we don't get back the bulk of our gains. The market has moved against us. And then we like to hold and sell deep in the fucking money, man. It's fucking insane. You saw what we did with that second strike. The second strike was fucking amazing, man. So I'm putting you onto the game, man. I'm putting you onto a secured private network that I've created, and I'm trying to make you money, man. We're trying to get you printing non-fucking stop, man. Now, with that being said, in terms of my trades, I'm going to be going over those towards the overall end of this video, but I'm going to quickly show it to you, man. Take a look, man. Literally in the title of my video, I said 587.50. I'm going to use the break and retest strategy, and I'm going to be buying call options. So let's get into that, man. This was the first trade that I made on the day. It was fucking perfect. As you can see right here, 9:44 a.m. So 4 minutes after G-Roar got out of those puts, we got out of the puts. I ended up buying calls. I got in on 589 calls at 115 cents. I said the profit target is 588.40. And in terms of when I ended up exiting that, I ended up quickly getting out for a 50% plus profit return, right? So in terms of when I ended up exiting that, I exited at 9:50 a.m. That was a phenomenal trade, right? So if you go to 589 calls on the SPY, you're going to see here, let me break this down here for you. I'm going to walk you through this, man. I ended up getting out of this trade literally at the exact, I ended up getting in at the exact lows. So I got in, right here at 9:44 a.m. And then in terms of when I ended up exiting towards the peak of this overall spike. And then they went to 300. So the fucking contracts went from 1 to 3 fucking hundred within the span of just 15 minutes, man. And then in terms of the rest of the trades, I had an L after that. It was a small L. It didn't work out. And then in terms of the trade after that, it was just a quick overall win. And then in terms of the trade after that on Power Hour, I had a nice win during Power Hour, man. And the fucking SPX trade on Power Hour, I'm going to show you this, man. Take a look. So I'm going to break this down here for you. So in terms of SPY 584 calls, this was the Power Hour trade. SPY 584 calls at 51 cents. You know, just shy 47 minutes away from Power Hour. If you go to those 584 calls, you're going to see right here. So this is when I ended up getting into those calls right here towards the exact lows into the 40-cent range. And they ended up quickly going to 90 cents multiple times. I ended up getting out into the end of the overall Power Hour situation. So in terms of when I ended up exiting those calls, it was literally at 77 cents a contract at 2:53 p.m. And I left runners, and the runners went all the way to 140 cents a contract. And then in terms of Roar's overall final trade, man, look at this. 5880 SPX calls for 200 cents a contract at 2:52 p.m., man. So a little bit after I ended up buying calls, he ended up buying calls with another strike. And then in terms of that overall trade, take a look at this, man. 5880 calls. You're going to see right here. This is when we ended up getting in right here. And the calls quickly went from 200 all the way down to 50 cents. And then they ended up spiking to 400 a contract 2 times in a row. You could have made a quick 100% proper return on those. And we did end up adding to the losers in that particular situation. And the calls went to 400 plus, right? So who the fuck do you know is doing this, man? Who do you know of is showing you this every single fucking day? Our group is printing at the speed of fucking light, man. If you're serious about making 2025 your best fucking year ever in trading, I would strongly recommend you click the first link down below within the description and you join our secure private network. I can assure you, we have many members who are consistently making over $1,000 a day. We have some members who are making over 5 figures a week. We have some members who are making over 6 figures a month, man. Look at the results, man. I see the same faces every single day. Alyssa, she ended up making $3,500, 350% proper return on SPY puts. I'm telling you, inside of this group, these are the biggest percentage gains you are ever going to see within the stock market. This is the best secured private options trading network on the fucking planet to ever fucking exist. And I'm giving you the invitation to the party. It's the first link down below within the description. If you want to gain access to our secure private network, it's the first fucking link, man. I see the same faces, man. Big shout out to Christian. Absolutely crushing it. I love the consistency, 250% proper return. I'm telling you, man, it's unlimited fucking winning here. It is nonstop fucking winning in here. Memberships, user base, everything is at all-time fucking highs, man. We are currently getting over 40 people a day to join. And I'm thinking to myself, these videos are getting 2,000 views. 40 people are joining. That's like a 2% conversion rate. And then 98% of traders lose. And I'm like, oh shit, it all makes sense. Not everyone wants to fucking win. Not everyone wants to invest into themselves and into a secured private network. I can assure you there's networks out there who have traders with decades of fucking experience who are multi-fucking millionaires. It's just in terms of like the level and the highest fucking tier, we're the best. We're the greatest to ever fucking do this. Drop another name, drop another fucking group for $20,000 wired to your bank account right fucking now on who the fuck do you know is doing this. Nobody is winning as much as we are. Multiple massive wins a day. Cheap, low risk, the biggest percentage gains within the fucking market, the best fucking options group you're gonna see. These fucking morning trades, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a straight fucking arrow, a straight fucking line of your account. 9 out of fucking 10 times in the fucking morning, man. Do you understand? Giro was on the craziest fucking win streak in the morning. He finally had a morning loss, and then he comes back on fucking vengeance, going 5 for 5 with 1,000% plus profit returns combined. And multiple of those trades went up 1,000%. Uncle fucking Tio hasn't lost a trade in 3 fucking months. His runner went up 1,700%. $200 into 3 fucking grand, man. $200 into 3 fucking thousand. Are you guys awake? Nobody is showing you this, man. This is the only fucking group on the fucking planet who is fucking printing like this, man. If you want to print at the speed of fucking light, it is the first link down below within the description. Now, now that we went over all the fucking trading, let's get into some of the money making information, man. So that's what our group did, you know, in terms of the other fucking groups. I can assure you, they're not fucking printing like us. They're not fucking multi-millionaires. They don't have decades of fucking experience trading. They don't have the fucking Scream. They don't have fucking Uncle Tio, Keaton Win, Forbes 30 under fucking 30. It's like, dude, wake the fuck up. Join the fucking group. I'm trying to set a foundation for you to have the best trading year of your fucking life, man. G-Roar is literally operating this and doing this from his fucking iPhone in a fucking cell on a hospital fucking bed. Losing and going red is a personal fucking choice. When G-Roar gets out of that fucking cell, all fucking hell is gonna break fucking loose, and you're gonna see massive fucking winning every single fucking day, dude. Like, wake the fuck up and get in the group, man. I'm trying to make you money. I want to see you print at the speed of fucking light. That's what I want for you. I want you to print non-fucking stop at the speed of fucking light. So, in terms of the levels, all right, let's get into it, man. So, in terms of the levels, this is going to be very simple, man. So in terms of the daily chart, one of the patterns that I'm seeing here on the SPY is going to be the following. If you look at the daily chart, you're going to see right here, there is red bearish daily candlesticks. You have two red bearish daily candlesticks right here. You have two red bearish daily candlesticks right here. I think we can agree in terms of like looks and similarities. These two red daily candlesticks look very similar to these two red daily candlesticks. So in terms of one thing I'm going to be looking for is, I'm going to be looking for an oversold dip buying opportunity. So what I want you to pay attention to is towards previous day highs for a potential opportunity on puts. That'd be the best level. And then in terms of calls, we're going to be going with an oversold level. So in terms of the oversold level for calls, this is what I want you to be aware of, right? So I told you 580 was the best level to buy calls. It was the exact fucking lows, right? I had a nice trade in power hour during that. But in terms of like a true best level for calls, it's going to be the gap close reversal. There is previous resistance on the SPY right here towards 576.70 gap reversal to react to support. So basically, this is like a gap and go. And when SPY drops back down to retest this gap and go level, it could potentially bottom out in reverse at the gap. It could start to form a support and floor level towards this previous resistance level at 575.60. So the true best level for calls would be 577. Gap reversal, 577. That's the unique trading strategy that I created in terms of my educational company, Traders Society. That's what also led to starting Team Roar. And the foundation of that company was the gap close reversal trading strategy that I've created and taught to thousands of traders, right? You can go back and see it's within my channel as well, you know, many, many years ago, right? So with that being said, man, 577 is the best level for fucking calls. And in terms of the levels above that, 580 is your next level. And then in terms of what I want you to understand about the chart, these are going to be the massive levels, man. 577, best fucking level for calls. Keep an eye on 580 support. But in terms of like massive fucking levels, you know, 581 is a massive level. 577 is the best level for calls. This is a massive level right here. As you can see, this 584, when 584 breaks out, it fucking rockets. When it reacts as a resistance, it drops back down to 580 to that 577 range. So massive fucking levels to keep an eye on is where we closed, 584.64. Just put this into perspective, man. Look at what happens when we react as a resistance level. So this is 584, red and bearish reacting as a resistance. It goes to 580. This is 584 breaking out. It rockets the fuck up. This is 584 reacting as support. It rockets the fuck up. So 584 is your make or break middle level, this 584.64 previous closing price, where a massive move is going to occur. Now, in terms of other big levels, take a look, man. We had massive move occur at the next level above, 586. 586 reacts to support, quickly spikes to 591. 586 reacts to support, quickly spikes to 590. So 588 is going to be the next level above that, and then 590. So in terms of puts, you can keep an eye on a red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmation towards 590. For calls, you can keep an eye on 580, but you need to use strong bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations. And on 577 is the best level for calls. You can try to auto buy calls at that overall level, man. Now, just understand the ladder, man. The ladder is simple. I'm going to break this down for you. You know, 595 gap reversal level, still waiting to buy potentially puts right there. Next level below that is going to be 591. Potential level to scalp puts, previous day highs. Next level below that is going to be 588. Next level below that is going to be 586. Next level below that is going to be 584. The levels you need to be sharp on heading into tomorrow is 577, 580, 584.50. A massive fucking move is going to occur. 586, a massive fucking move is going to occur. The big massive moves are going to be happening at 584, 586, 588, 590. Those are the best fucking levels, man. So, like I said, you can see what happens when it reacts to support, and you can see what happens when it reacts as a resistance. This 30-minute chart is going to help give you a strong foundation of the overall price action. You need to use 30-minute candlestick confirmations, man. If you watched my fucking video, everyone should have been in on fucking puts when this 30-minute candlestick closed red and fucking bearish, and we were forming lower fucking highs for 2 fucking hours, man. Go back to the history. Remember the pattern? This is support right here at 587. 2 hours of resistance, red, green, red. That's fucking bearish. Red, green, red, 2 hours of resistance, lower highs, previous floor, now resistance, red, green, red, SPY flushes. Remember on FOMC, the same exact pattern happened. SPY was forming lower highs for 2 hours, red, green, red, sold off fucking hard. What, you want me to go back and fucking show you? Go back and watch all the fucking videos. It's the same fucking pattern, man. Use the curriculum I'm teaching you with the 30-minute fucking chart. Use the levels, print money, man. I'm just telling you, I'm just being very honest with you, man. In terms of the stock market, there's fucking killers out there, and they're out to take everyone's fucking money, man. This market is full of fucking greed, man. In terms of the fucking people I'm working with, they're fucking killers, man, and I'm a fucking killer too. It's like, dude, these fucking people do not fuck around. G-War's in a fucking hospital bed, in a fucking cell, trading on his fucking phone, making multi-5 figures on the fucking day, winning nonstop. Like, guys, do you understand? This market is cold. It's fucking brutal, man. It's fucking ruthless. People are coming to take your money. People are coming to take your fucking lunch, man. And you need to understand, man, people are fucking ruthless. It's a cold fucking market, man. About in terms of money, man, like, dude, multi-millionaires who have decades of experience trading options are coming. And they're coming to take it fucking all, man. They're coming to show the world who the fucking best is. That's why we say, who fucking prints like us? Because at the end of the day, there's not another secured private organization. There's not another secured private network out there that is printing like us at the speed of light. Who do you know is going this far out of money, selling in the money, winning this consistent, winning this much, the biggest percentage gains? Like, dude, you understand how many fucking wins we had in a fucking row? This is unlimited fucking winning over here. Nobody is fucking printing like us. And if you join this fucking group, you're going to see for yourself. These are the biggest gains in the market, percentage and dollars wise, with the lowest, cheapest risk involved, man. This is the most disruptive options trading company in fucking history, man. This type of company, if you compare it to other fucking people, it's like, dude, people say, you know, in terms of that saying, comparison, it's the thief of fucking joy. You know, some people, in terms of how they perceive that, it's the thief of fucking joy. Because if you compare our fucking trades to their fucking trades, there's no fucking comparison. It's like, dude, you're either with the fucking pokies who don't know what the fuck they're doing, you know, the fucking influencers, the fucking educators, or you're with the fucking experienced multimillionaires who are trading for a fucking decade. You get what you fucking pay for. You get in terms of what you attract and what you fucking surrounded yourself to, man. So I started an educational company, and these are the people who I work with, and this is who I decided to hire, man. So like I said, man, I started this group, Trader Society, and it was an educational company. And in terms of, you know, what I focused on teaching, it was the 30-minute chart. That's what I found to be the best foundation, and that's what, you know, people learned from me. So in terms of like G-Roar and Uncle Tio, they learned how to trade the 30-minute chart from me, and they learned the gap close reversal trading strategy, right? I'm not taking credit for their success. They were already millionaires, you know, before they found me, but they joined my group and they learned, you know, unique trading strategies from me, which was the gap close reversal trading strategy and the 30-minute pattern. If you just go back and study all the curriculum, you can also see the crazy history and documentary of this entire fucking channel if you watched all the fucking videos. But the point is, man, this is the best secured private organization on the fucking planet. There is not another group out there that is printing like us, man. In terms of fucking options, there's no fucking competitions, man. And I can tell you, the best fucking ones, dude, they're not on social media. You know, some of the best fucking traders, they're not on fucking social media, man. A lot of them are fucking anonymous. You understand? G-Roar, he's completely anonymous, right? You guys don't know his name. He's completely fucking anonymous. And he's not on social media. And then Uncle Tio, you know, he shows his face. He has his name out there, but he's not really on social media in a sense, right? But Uncle Tio, you know, he has a brand for himself, and he owns the largest scrapyard company in the world, and he's a multimillionaire trader, and he's very successful. And like I said, I've never seen anyone buy SPX calls or puts that early into the day, 10 a.m. In terms of what G-War taught me, you know, G-War taught me to wait until the power hour trading session, and that's when I trade best as well. You know, we prefer to buy SPX when it's cheap, under 100 a contract. Uncle Tio, he'll pay like 50% to 100% more. He'll do it early in the day, and he'll go so fucking far out, much farther out than we're going during power hour, right? Because he has plenty of time in that situation. But the crazy thing about Uncle Tio is it's just like his fucking trades are nearly going in the money that fucking quick, that early in the fucking day, and he's paying like 200 to 150 on these SPX fucking contracts, and they're going up like 600 to fucking 800 within the span of 20 to 30 fucking minutes. It's like, dude, he hasn't had a single fucking loss in 3 months, man. So I'm trying to bring you to the light. We have the light. We have the best secured private organization on the fucking planet. You join this group, you're gonna see it's the best options trading fucking company in the fucking world, man. You join this group. If you're following other traders, you know, some of you, it's gonna break your fucking heart. You're gonna be like, dude, those people I was following, they're not even fucking traders. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They just buy and sell and try to educate. They don't hold their fucking trades. They buy, they sell, they use the stop loss. They never win big. They never set themselves up to win big. They don't know how to identify big wins in the market. It's like, dude, this market is highly competitive. Understand? Groups out there, they're gonna get fucking slaughtered. Some of them are gonna go out of business. They're gonna lose all their fucking money. It's like, dude, this fucking guy I'm working with, this motherfucker, this dude sees every fucking thing, man. The fucking screen, this guy sees every fucking thing, man. So with that being said, man, if you want to fucking win, it's the first link down below in the description, man. I built this fucking secure private network from fucking nothing. It's at all-time highs every single fucking day. I'm checking the analytics. We just keep on hitting new all-time fucking highs, and the wins just keep on fucking getting better. It's like, dude, I was looking at the analytics, and I'm saying to myself, most of our customers, 90% of our customers are staying with us. Only 10% are leaving every single month. It's a monthly recurring fee. Only 10% are leaving. 90% are choosing to stay because this works. They see the potential. They see the gains. This works. But I'm going to be honest with you, man. This is a very unique style of trading. And in terms of this style of trading, you know, it's going to take a lot. It's going to take time. You know, it's not, this shit's not going to click right the fuck away. This is going to take time. Our format's not going to work for everyone, right? Not everyone's going to be able to win. But I'm telling you, we got many people who are winning, and they're winning fucking big. But you got to put the time in, and you got to put the fucking work in, and you got to understand, man, this is not a normal way of trading. So in terms of the system, this is what you need to understand, man. We don't use a stop loss. We don't use a stop loss. Our multiple is everything we're putting in to the contract. Our max risk per trade, it could be a couple percent of your account, whatever it is that you're comfortable with risking. Obviously, if you have a small account, you're going to have to risk more. That's one of the disadvantages to having a small account. One advantage to having a small account is you're not risking a lot, and you can make a lot from a small account, find something that's cheap and low risk that has unlimited profit potential and leaving runners. But you need to understand, man, we do a lot of things differently. We hold our trades for long periods of time. We do not use stop loss. Our max risk per trade is everything we put into the contracts. We know exactly how much we're going to risk, which is exactly how much we can lose. The most we can lose is what we risk. What we risk is our max risk per trade. Write all this down. And then in terms of profit stops, we do believe in profit stops. When we're green on a trade, we don't really believe in going back to red. So we set a profit stop so we get stopped out for profit, right? And then we move the profit stop up higher to ensure that we get the bulk of our gains. In case the market has a big move against us in that particular situation, if we move our profit stop up higher, we're going to get stopped out at a much higher price, avoiding giving back the majority of our gains, right? And then we sell into the moves, we leave runners, and we sell runners deep in the fucking money. I can assure you, when you join our secure private organization, you are going to see this is a game-changing community, and we have a strategic zero-day options trading alert system, right? I'm telling you, man, there's nothing like this fucking group out there on the fucking planet. You will not find anything else like this out there on the market. It does not fucking exist. There is not a single fucking private organization out there who's printing like us. That's why we have the offer on the table. Like I said, man, $20,000 wired into your bank account if you can name another group who is winning as consistent as we are, who is winning as big as we are, trading 0 to 8 for the money option contracts. We are timing the trades in there perfectly. We're selling in the money. We're making the biggest percentage gains. And not also just buy and sell alerts, but a group who's created a strategic zero-day options trading alert system that only gets better within time. I'm telling you, when G-Roar gets out of the fucking hospital, it's like, dude, this is going to be a complete fucking game changer. I'm telling you, man. When he gets out of the fucking hospital, it's game fucking over. You guys are going to look back and you're going to be like, dude, they're making 1,000% every single fucking day. Like, what the fuck is going on over there? Like, I'm telling you, man, this is the best time to get in, man. Everything is set in place. Everyone's locked in. We are winning non-fucking stop. Nobody out there is printing like us. I can assure you, man. Think about it. Go look at all the famous people. Go look at all the people with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Go look at all the people with millions of subscribers. You know, maybe they're good at editing. Maybe they're good at social media marketing. Go look at all the big guys. Are they showing you this? Are they putting you onto this? G-Roar, he's not on social media. Uncle Tio, he's not on social media. I told you, killers are coming and they want stake. They see how much money can be made in building a private network. And they want to show people, that's what we want. We want to show people that we have the light, that we're the best, that we're the greatest to ever fucking do it. Oh, that group over there, they think they're so hot fucking shit. Well, maybe they're good at marketing, maybe they're good at social media, but if you compare our fucking trades, there's no fucking comparison. And that's what the fuck trading's about. Who's got the best fucking trades? I mean, that's what I fucking care about. Who's got the best fucking trades? Oh, okay, we got the best fucking trades? All right, what's the next step? Well, we have the best fucking trades. The next fucking step is to build the best fucking system that's going to make our entire fucking network money. In terms of what this world's coming to, it's coming to you better be in a private network who's going to make fucking money. My fucking team is dedicated to doing this non-fucking stop. They've been doing this for fucking decades. Do you understand? Our system is only going to improve within time. The sooner you start, the better. This is going to take time, man. You're going to have to rewire your fucking brain. I know all of you have been fucking trained to buy, sell, stop loss, sell small win. It makes no fucking sense. Selling for a small win is choosing to be a fucking loser when there's a way to win fucking massively. We pay less. We risk less. We pay less on our contracts. We risk fucking less. We make the biggest percentage gains. We're the fucking best. We get it. We're better than everybody fucking else. We get it, right? So if you want to fucking win, it's the first link down below in the description, man, because I'm telling you, man. Listen, man, in terms of Team Roar, this fucking group, Team Roar has been established for over a year now, over 14 fucking months now. It's like, dude, over 15 fucking months now. I looked at the analytics. We have members, hundreds of members who have not left. They've been with us for 15 fucking months. They're not fucking leaving. Do you understand? People are fucking dedicated to learning this and mastering this. And you need to be around a private network with multi-fucking millionaires who are building fucking systems to teach you so where you can learn this, right? You're going to learn by trading. Well, how the fuck do I learn how to trade? You learn how to do something by fucking doing it. So do you want to surround yourself and do it with multi-millionaires with decades of fucking experience who are building systems, not just, oh, buy here, sell here, fucking alerts. No, strategic fucking systems. Add no fucking stop losses, set fucking profit stops. Systems. The fucking bar is up here. There is no fucking competition anymore. We're the best to ever fucking do this shit, man. Wake up. Join the group. Apply yourself and start to learn this, man. I'm just letting you know it's going to take time, man. This is new. And traders, they're good at making mistakes, and they're very good at making the same mistakes over and over again, you know? Whatever it is for people who need to fucking change, whether that's fucking pain, trauma, loss, a lot of fucking suffering, it's like, dude, once you adapt and learn how to change and have self-control and have fucking discipline, you're going to come in this group, and you're going to see this works. You can make money non-fucking stop trading options. There's people actually making 5 figures every single fucking day trading far out of the money option contracts in this fucking group. You're going to see it happening, man. There's 2 fucking multimillionaires in here, man. I'm trying to put you onto the fucking game, man, before you get left behind. Like, dude, there's people in this group. They've already been in here for 15 fucking months. They're going to be 100 times better than the person who just joins right fucking now. Unless that person has a ton of experience trading zero-day options, you know, they might be better. But the point is, man, the best time to get started is now, or you will be left behind. In terms of where times are heading, dude, prices are going to go the fuck up. Prices are going to go fucking insane. I was looking on fucking WAP. There's groups out there that are nowhere as good as us. They're charging fucking $600 a fucking week. And they're placing higher on the fucking board. We had fucking 30 on the fucking board today. We were ranked number fucking 30 out of 11,000 fucking groups. I saw a guy placed on number fucking 7. He's charging $600 a fucking week. There's fucking Tinder subscriptions out there that are $500 a year. It's like, dude, the fucking future, the prices are going to inflate like fucking crazy. And the best fucking networks are going to charge the fucking most, man. They want to be surrounded by the fucking best. It's like, man, with this fucking company, we can do anything. We can charge the most and just allow rich people to join if we just want to be around rich people. Or we can charge, you know, a good amount, but where small accounts can also have a chance. And that's what we're doing, man. This group right now is extremely undervalued. We are selling ourselves short. This is extremely undervalued right now. For those of you who join right now, you will be grandfathered in at this price right now, man. Within time, we will end up raising the price, man. But the price, it's perfect for small accounts to have a chance and gain experience, man. It's like, dude, we have to make fucking something. We're the greatest, we're the best to ever fucking do this, man. We fucking deserve it. You know, multimillionaires are not going to work for fucking free. Nobody's going to work for fucking free if they're the greatest to ever fucking do it, man. Especially people who are not on fucking social media. Like, dude, it's not going to fucking happen. So I'm putting you on to the game. I'm putting you on to the fucking best. And like I said, man, in terms of how this all started, I started an educational company, and we had a lot of multimillionaires who loved the community that I created, and they loved the curriculum that I created with my fucking mind, with my fucking heart, with my fucking soul, with my fucking third eyes. There's other fucking companies who are literally taking and stealing and copywriting my fucking curriculum. It's like, dude, it's fucking crazy in terms of what's happening in 2025. But I'm telling you, man, in terms of what I've created, they loved it. They learned a lot from me. I learned a lot from them. And now we are working together, building secured private networks. We are building educational systems. We are building money-making systems. And we are dedicated to this, man. So if you don't get started, you are going to be left behind, man. I'm telling you, the future prices are going to be so fucking high on every fucking thing, and people are going to be established, and they're going to be established in partnerships. They're going to be established in private fucking networks. If you don't surround yourself and network with private networks and find the right group and community for you, you're going to get left fucking behind. It's tough and hard as fucking shit to make it on your fucking own. In terms of my trading improved massively when I cut off all the fucking noise and I found one person who can help me become better, and that one fucking person was G-Roar. G-Roar is literally the only fucking trader out there, in a sense, who has helped my trading, you know, improve massively. We literally fucking fused together, and he helped improve my trading massively, man. So I'm telling you, man, it's the first link down below in the description if you want to make money. With that being said, I'm signing off. I explained to you in terms of the system, and we don't add to losers. We don't add to losers. We add to fucking winners. When we're down on a play, we buy a second strike. The second strike tends to be at the exact fucking lows. Like you saw, the first play dropped like 80%. We held it, sold for 100% fucking win. Who the fuck does that? And then we bought a second strike. The second strike was the exact fucking lows. Sold for a fucking 300% win. So it's like, dude, nobody's fucking doing this, man. Wake the fuck up. You're going to join this group. It's going to disrupt you. It's going to open up your third eyes. It's going to open up your mind. It's going to bring you into the light. And it's really going to show you that if you were to compare our fucking group to other fucking groups, you're going to realize that, oh, those are just educators. Oh, those are just fucking actors. Oh, those are just fucking nefarious fucking paid actors. Oh, those are just fucking educators. Oh, those are just fucking marketers. Oh, those people, they just fucking scalp. They just buy and sell for a fucking walnut. They don't make any fucking gains and they use stop losses. Like, dude, you're going to realize a lot of fucking things, man. So like I said, man, it's your fucking life. You choose on who you want to surround yourself with. You choose on what private networks you want to join. I mean, I genuinely believe in terms of a requirement, if you do trade options, I genuinely believe every single person out there should experience Team Roar at least once in their fucking life, man. You have nothing to fucking lose. These are the cheapest contracts. You gain experience by trading alongside with us. And at the end of the day, man, I can promise you this. These are the best fucking trades you're ever going to see in the market. This is the most disruptive fucking options trading company to ever fucking exist. Nobody fucking prints like us, man. I gave you the offer, 20 fucking K wired to your fucking account. Find me another fucking group who's making this many trades a day, winning this fucking big, this fucking consistent, with a 90% fucking win rate, dude. G-Roar is trading at all-time fucking highs, post-surgery, in a fucking cell, laying on a hospital bed. Can you imagine what's going to happen when he walks out of that bed and gets out of that fucking place? It's like, dude, is game fucking over. Get in fucking now. When shit like this happens, we go fucking up. We just keep on fucking getting better when shit like this happens. We always come back stronger. We're fucking resilient, man. That was fucking vengeance today, man. In terms of fucking vengeance, he finally went off the morning green streak. The day before this, he went off the green streak. He had a morning L in the morning, and then he comes back with all these fucking massive fucking wins, dude. That's how it's done. So that's a job well done, man. So listen, man, if you're serious about making money, it's the first link down below within the description. It's unlimited fucking winning, man. I'm telling you, man. I'll give you a sneak peek in terms of our community. You know, this is very private. I don't like to show all this stuff. You got to be in the group if you'd like to experience this. But like I said, man, it's the first link down below in the description if you'd like to join us. We have many members, man. In terms of WAP, like I said, like we're ranked like 30 right now out of 11,000 groups. You know, in terms of that rank, that is fucking amazing. Especially considering that like this channel, it's not like super fucking famous. I mean, we have a super high conversion rate and a fuck ton of people are joining, but like this channel is not like super fucking famous. This is very like a niche channel. And you know, I just haven't put in a lot of time and effort in terms of growing my social media. I just focused on growing my fucking trading account and hiring the best fucking traders on the fucking planet and mentoring them. I mean, that's where I put my fucking focus. I didn't, you know, put my fucking focus in fucking thumbnails and titles and editing all this shit. But it's like now I have other people who are literally trained to do all the work. So if I want, I could put more focus in there. But like I said, man, if you study the history of my channel, I've always just put my focus in trading for the most part. It's just like with these options I have now, it's like I have unlimited fucking options. I could literally do whatever the fuck I want now, man. Like it's so fucking overkill and overpowered to be in this fucking group with the amount of fucking multimillionaires who are dropping their trades. So yeah, man, it's the first link down below within the description for those of you who want to join us. You know, I'm just showing you a sneak peek of our overall community chat. It's extremely active. We have many members who are absolutely fucking crushing it. That's a phenomenal trade. $600 profit on SPX5, 88 calls. Stevie's absolutely crushing it. $1,000 profit. Honda 2 has been with us for over a fucking year. This is what you need inside of Team fucking Roar. In terms of Team Roar, you need to have balls, right? So you can have a small account. The bird, very small account, but you need big fucking balls. In order to have big fucking balls, which means you have to hold your fucking trades, you need to take smaller position size and you need to adjust. You need to rewire your brain, get used to fucking holding. And you really need to understand, man, this market, it's fucking brutal and it's fucking worthless, man. Like when you join this fucking group, you're going to realize like, dude, holy shit. If I'm not in here, this is who I'm fucking going up against. This is who I'm competing against. Like 98% of traders are losing. And these are the fucking people out there who are the fucking best. It's like, dude, I'm telling you, it's going to be very disruptive, man. People are going to see it's a very real group. You know, some people, they're going to quit. They're going to realize like, man, they're not good enough or trading's just not for them or they're just not good enough to make it. It's like, dude, it is what it fucking is, man. If you're looking for something real, that's going to fucking show you what the fucking market is. This is fucking it. This is real. Understand? This is a real fucking group. If you're looking for something real, that's literally going to show you what the fuck the stock market is. Like, this is it, man. There's unlimited fucking winning in here. So it's the first fucking link within the description. With that being said, man, I'm gonna be signing off, man. You guys have an amazing new year, man. It's just, dude, like to even be making these videos, man. Like I've hit levels in success, man. At times it's like I don't even want to make a video. Or I don't even feel like comfortable making a fucking video. It's like spiritual wise, it's like, dude, there's just levels to this fucking game, and you really start to realize, like, wow, nobody out there is like us. This is truly fucking special. Like it's just fucking crazy, man. Like it's hard to explain certain situations, man. But anyways, man. I promise you this, nobody out there is printing like us. Nobody out there is making this many trades a day, winning as consistent and as big as we are. This is the best zero-date options trading company you're ever going to fucking see on the fucking planet, man. So I'm signing off. If you want to make a fuck ton of money, if you want to learn and trade with us alongside us, it's the first link down below in the description. The way to learn how to trade is to trade alongside us. I will see you guys tomorrow within the chat.